going to M&M's World.
And we're going to Lego.
Lego later. Andun lang. Tawid lang siya. M&M's first. Ano mo sa matira mo?
Oh my.
Look at that! All the M&M's in the world, Ellie!
Yeah.
It's all the M&M's in the world!
Mama, look.
Ooh, I like that one. What? I don't know. Color white yan. Oo, kasi colored lang sila.
May iba-ibang color.
Yung mga unusual na color dapat
Ay, hindi lang siya.
na stock. May mabigat na yan. Ay! Sabi sa'yo! Okay, video mo. Tagalin na kamay mo. Yan. Hello! I'm gonna get this one. I-show mo to. Ellie's taking my video.
Hi.
About that, good enough? What other colors do you want?
Oh, try
What crispy?
Christy.
Yeah?
I'm not sure if we want Christy.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Oh, they have Skittles.
Skip.
You like Skittles?
No.
You don't like Skittles?
No, I do not like Skip.
You do not like Skittles. Mag-stand ikaw dyan, tapos mag-check siya ng mood mo.
Okay.
Prepare to be scanned. Bakit wala siya nag-scan? Are you too light? Ayan. You're too light, Ali. Is teal. Go with your instincts when choosing chocolate. That's so adult, Ali. Yan, okay na. Discover your M&M's color.
Red.
After 10 years, man siya, oy.
Be patient.
Be patient. Sorry po. Or color mood is... You read daw? Ikaw daw mag-read? Very good. Purple.
Masiguro yun, right?
You have a thirst for knowledge that won't ever be quenched. Right.
Okay.
Whoa. Awesome. What's that? Ellie, what did you make?
Patient.
A spaceship. Wow. Oh, pati si Mami.
Yeah.
Gawa ng spaceship.
Ito sa aming panahon, uy.
Wee! Cool!
Oh, flipping.
Oh no! Nagland na siya sa moon. Hmm. Yeah. Go make anything. Lego store. Nalingaw na si Mommy. Yeah.
This one's going to Mercury.
Uh-huh.
This one's going to Neptune. This one is not yet ready.
Not yet ready.
This one is going to
But what's the other planets?
That's her in.
Neptune.
Neptune, Saturn.
This one's going to Saturn.
Yeah, what else?
This one's going to
Where's the other one going to the moon?
no.
Not yet.
Venus.
This one's going to Venus.
Who's going to Earth? No one's going to Earth? Oh no! Dalhin ko si Mami dun sa mga branded na stuff. Baka pala bilhan niya ako. Pumunta kami ng Longchamp. Bumili siya ng bagong strap. Strap lang afford ng nurse na anak sa UK. Gamay sweldo. Sauce na lang. Coach C. Ellie, where's our coach?